Today marks exactly 3 months that I had hair transplant surgery. And I'm gonna show you what the process was like and actually how it came out. I think it's looking pretty good today. I'm surprised. They told me 3 months and here it is. I really like the way it's going. First of all, this is what I used to look like. And now look here at 60, look at my 5 head. Wasn't into it at all. And I wanted to redo the hairline. So here I am pretending like it's no big deal. It was a long day, not real painful, but look this head of mine on the day I got home. I had my first real haircut yesterday and I was nervous, but you cannot see any of the donor site issues at all. Most of the stuff is healed up already. I did have a few ingrown hairs, but yeah, I think it's looking pretty good. Oh yeah, I think they did an excellent job. You know what? If you don't like the way you look, change it.